India targets zero dump sites under DRAC by 2026. India's urban cleanliness journey, strengthened by a decade of progress under the Swachh Bharat mission, has entered a decisive new phase focused on eliminating legacy waste dump sites. These long-standing waste accumulations pose serious environmental and public health risk. To accelerate their removal, the Government of India launched the Dump Site Remediation Accelerator Program (DRAP) in November 2025 with the goal of achieving Lakshya zero dump sites by October 2026. Legacy dump sites and environmental concerns. A dump site refers to land used by urban local bodies for disposing municipal solid waste often accumulated over decades through unscientific methods. Such sites contaminate soil and groundwater, degrade air quality, emit methane, and pose fire and health hazards. Across India, around 2,479 legacy dump sites have been identified, collectively holding nearly 25 crore metric tons of waste spread over about 15,000 acres. Scale of the challenge and current progress. India currently generates nearly 1.62 lakh tons of municipal solid waste daily, with projections rising sharply by 2030 and 2050. Without remediation, emissions from this sector could reach 41.09 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent by 2030. At present, remediation work is underway at 1,428 dump sites, with over 62% of legacy waste already processed. In 2025 alone, 459 dump sites across 438 cities achieved complete remediation. Dump Site Remediation Accelerator Program (DRAP). Under DRAP, 214 high-impact dump sites across 30 states and union territories have been prioritized as they account for nearly 80% of the remaining legacy waste, about 8.6 crore metric tons. The program follows a dual strategy of removing existing dump sites and preventing new ones by ensuring scientific processing of fresh waste. Land reclaimed through remediation is earmarked for solid waste management infrastructure or green cover development. DRAP was launched in November 2025 with a target of zero dump sites by October 2026. India has identified about 2,479 legacy dump sites containing almost 25 crore metric tons of waste. High-impact dump sites under DRAP account for nearly 80% of remaining legacy waste. Biomining is the key technology used for legacy waste remediation. Framework, biomining, and way forward. DRAP is anchored in the 5P framework of SBM, Urban 2.0, political leadership, public finance partnerships, people's participation, and project management. Legacy waste is treated through biomining, where waste is stabilized, segregated, and channeled into reuse pathways such as road construction, waste to energy recycling, and composting, with only non-reusable rejects sent to scientific landfills. Strengthen the processing infrastructure under SBM, Urban 2.0, and the Mission Zero dump sites. Vision is expected to support sustainable urban growth, reduce emissions, and align India's cities with long-term environmental and development goals.